guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse my bed, I am washing my sheets, so if you see my mattress, just excuse me for that. So I told y'all before I was trying something different, and this is why I haven't been coming with the weekly planner. I'm trying to see what I want to do for next year, if I just want to go towards the monthly. I don't know what my struggle is with planners. It's just a struggle. Like, I don't know. I have boring weeks. I have weeks where absolutely nothing goes on. So for me to do the weekly planner, it's like I'll have a whole week where nothing goes on. So I don't know if I should do the weekly planner and then the weeks that my life is just totally boring, don't do the planner and don't record, or if I should just do the monthly. So this was the monthly for August, and I'll come down some. And once again, not much. I wrote baby girl's work schedule so I know when she works, her dentist appointments, different things that I had going on. I used one of my little girls. I wrote the days that I went to the gym, the days she had to go to the dentist, my nail day, my payday, and then in August is our anniversary. If you guys follow me on Instagram and stuff, you saw we went to Melbourne, Florida. I also wrote down stuff I needed from Dollar General. The bottom here, I just kind of wrote what was going on, tried to, each day. And like I said, it really wasn't too much. It really wasn't. I know y'all see that surgery there. That did not happen due to COVID. Hospitals are canceling non-emergency surgery. So the surgery was canceled and rescheduled. Over to the left, I have baby girl's bills, not my bills. Just the bills she needs to pay out of her check. I try to keep track of it for her. I am trying to get her on track with keeping track of her monthly bills, and like if she had to go out on her own, and live on her own, how she can separate her paychecks to pay her bills and have money left over. I wrote the days that I went to the gym. So, not much, but at least it looks a little full. So I'm not sure. And then I don't know if the days that I didn't do anything, maybe I should fill it up with a sticker. Y'all tell me what I should do, because I'm struggling. We're getting ready to go into 2022, and I don't know what planner I want to get for 2022. This is the planner that sits on my workstation. This sits on my work from home station. It never moves. It never goes anywhere. So I'm practicing with this planner. It does have weekly days. But like I said, I don't want to do the weekly because some weeks this will be completely empty. I go to work, I come home. I go to work, I come home. Some weeks this would be completely empty. So this is September. We are now in September. So I am going to do this again for the month of September. I'm just going to write down different things I do every day, and we'll see how it turns out again. I am going to place some stickers in here, and I'm also going to place some stickers on the days that I don't do anything, and we'll see how that goes. So y'all let me know what y'all think, because for 2022, I need to see what I want to do for a planner for 2022. I don't like to waste money, so I don't know if I should go full-blown monthly. So if I have a week or a day where I'm not doing anything, I can just put stickers there. So, but then I have my big girl stickers, but I can still put my big girl stickers over the planner. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the monthly that I did for August. I'm going to try it again for September. I'm going to come back to y'all again in September. And then y'all let me know for 2022, should I get the monthly or should I get the weekly? If you have any ideas, if you're using a monthly, if you're using a weekly, I don't have small kids. I don't have kids going to baseball, football practice. I don't have kids going to school. I don't have where I'm ripping and running every day. So those of you who live the type of lifestyle I live, let me know what y'all do. Let me know what kind of planner you use and what you do. And any suggestions you guys have, I am down for it. My girl Leah Ray, Leah always comes up with beautiful, beautiful planners, beautiful setups, but she's a teacher, so she has that mind and that concept of planning. And she has her school stuff, and she also has a little girl. So, she's a little bit busier than I am, but I enjoy the tips that she sends me. She'll DM me tips, she'll send me tips, and I enjoy it. So any suggestions y'all have, any tips y'all have regarding the planner, holla at your girl, and I'll see you guys next time.